All right, if you want to hide your following or followers list on Instagram, it's important to understand. Instagram doesn't have a single toggle that hides that list directly, but you can control it to a certain extent through your privacy and account settings. If your profile is public, anyone can see the list of accounts you follow and accounts that follow you. What you can do instead is set your account to private. This means anyone who doesn't already follow you will still see the numbers, but they won't be able to see the exact accounts on either list. To switch to a private account, go to your profile in the bottom corner, then tap the top menu and scroll down to Account Privacy. If your account is currently public, just toggle it to private. After that, anyone who isn't following you won't see those specific accounts. And of course, with a private account, only people that follow you will see your content. Others won't see your posts or stories, and they'll have to request to follow you before they'll see anything. Now, if your account's already private, but you have a specific existing follower you don't want seeing the list of users you follow, or that follow you, what you'd need to do is remove them entirely. Go to your account, tap Followers, then find that person and tap the little X or Remove next to their name. I'm pretty sure these are bot accounts following me, so we're not going to feel bad about removing one of them. And once removed, since your account is private, they won't be able to follow you again without your approval. If you choose to have a public account instead, and want to hide the following or followers specifically from one person, the only real option is to block them. I'll go to the Explore page and pull up a random account here as an example. You'll navigate to their profile, tap those three dots up top, and choose Block. You'll get a confirmation screen explaining what blocking actually does, so you then confirm you want to block that person. With that, you can keep your account public overall, but that specific blocked profile won't be able to view your followers or following list anymore. And lastly, don't use any third-party apps claiming to hide your follower list. No legitimate third-party option can actually do that, and attempting to use them usually leads to your account getting compromised, so I don't recommend it. Anyways, that is how you hide your following and follower list on Instagram. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more guides like this one. Thanks, until next time.